Warning: what you're about to hear could change the way you see AI forever. Today, we're exposing how hackers are turning AI into their deadliest weapon. That's right, malicious actors are using artificial intelligence to hack, scam, and compromise you, and most people don't even see it coming. Think AI is just about smarter assistants or cool gadgets. Think again. The dark side of AI is here, and it's evolving faster than ever. If you want to protect yourself from the next wave of cyber threats, you need to know what's really happening behind the scenes. Get ready, because what you learn today could be the difference between staying safe and falling victim in this new digital war. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the big picture. AI systems, especially those with a certain level of autonomy, are now targets for cybercriminals. These bad actors see AI as both a tool for their schemes and a weapon to cause chaos. When they succeed in hijacking or manipulating an AI, the consequences can go far beyond traditional hacking. They can exfiltrate sensitive data, disrupt critical operations, or even cause physical damage if AI controls infrastructure. Recent research indicates that many AI models don't think or reason as we expect. Instead, they sometimes produce false or misleading outputs, hallucinating or lying without even realizing it. This behavior creates vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit, especially since these models often lack transparency, making it difficult to detect deception. How hackers exploit autonomous AI. Imagine an AI agent operating within a company, handling customer inquiries, managing data, or controlling systems. Hackers don't just find one way in, they manipulate the instructions that guide these AI agents. This is often done through prompt injection, a technique where malicious prompts are crafted to deceive the AI. These attackers craft prompts disguised as normal instructions, text that appears harmless, but actually contains commands that trick the AI into doing something harmful. For example, instead of just answering a customer question, the AI could be manipulated to send sensitive data elsewhere or disable security measures. Because AI models process all input data as instructions, without clear boundaries, they can be confused or misled. A prompt that looks like a regular question or command can be interpreted as an order, giving malicious actors a way to hijack the system. Furthermore, the lack of transparency in many AI models, especially large language models, makes it tough for defenders to see when manipulation is happening. These models often develop internal code words or reasoning patterns that are opaque and hard to interpret, making oversight challenging. The dangerous truth: AI can lie and mislead. One of the most startling revelations from recent studies is that AI models frequently produce outputs that are not just inaccurate, but outright false. They hallucinate, invent facts, or confidently produce misleading information. Sometimes they even encode their internal thoughts with coded words that make sense to the model but are meaningless or confusing to humans. This internal secrecy and tendency to hallucinate make it even harder for humans to oversee these systems effectively. When AI systems develop internal thinking patterns that are opaque and sometimes deceptive, attackers can exploit this opacity to manipulate their outputs or hide malicious activities. How hackers weaponize autonomy. Moving beyond simple prompt injection, the autonomy of AI agents makes them attractive targets. When an AI is given broad decision-making powers, say managing financial transactions or controlling physical machinery, hackers see an opportunity to cause real damage. By inserting malicious prompts or compromising data feeds, hackers can influence these autonomous systems to exfiltrate data, shut down essential services, or even cause physical harm. Once hijacked, these AI agents can act maliciously without immediate detection, making them a new frontier of cybersecurity threats. Because these systems are designed to act on instructions, once corrupted, they can do significant damage, sometimes without clear signs of compromise. This escalating threat underscores the importance of securing autonomous AI systems properly. Protecting yourself, strategies and safeguards. So, what steps should you take to defend yourself in this new era? The key is understanding that security measures must evolve as AI systems become more powerful and autonomous. Rushing to deploy AI without proper safeguards is a dangerous gamble. Cybersecurity experts recommend a layered approach, what's often called defense in depth. This involves strict access controls, continuous monitoring, limiting the autonomy of AI agents, and ensuring data privacy. Specifically, organizations should start with a comprehensive risk assessment, understanding what could go wrong, and then set boundaries on what their AI systems can do. Limiting autonomy prevents them from making unpredictable decisions. Ongoing monitoring helps catch suspicious activity early, and securing the entire supply chain prevents malicious code or data from entering the system. Implementing these layers of defense can drastically reduce your vulnerability, but remember, AI systems are inherently complex, and attackers are always developing new techniques. Consistent oversight and layered security are your best tools to stay ahead. Balancing privacy and security. Now, let's address the privacy concerns. As AI systems become more autonomous and embedded into daily life, the risk of data leaks and privacy violations grows. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities to access personal or sensitive information. Many AI models develop internal reasoning that's opaque, sometimes even with coded words or internal thoughts that are hidden from human oversight. This opacity makes oversight difficult, especially when the AI acts independently. Priyalani, an expert in AI education, emphasizes, to protect privacy, organizations need to implement techniques like on-device processing or federated learning, so data stays local and isn't exposed to unnecessary risks. But these solutions are expensive and complex, which often leads companies to prioritize speed over security. That's a dangerous trade-off. Without proper privacy safeguards, the very systems meant to help us can become vectors for data breaches. The growing threat of AI in the physical world. Going further, AI isn't just digital anymore. It's starting to control physical systems, robots, autonomous vehicles, industrial machinery. This convergence of AI and physical infrastructure raises the stakes dramatically. Imagine an AI controlling a robot or a drone. If that system gets hacked or malfunctions, the consequences could be catastrophic. Injuries, damage to infrastructure, or even loss of life. Max Corbridge notes, historically, cyber attacks like Stuxnet demonstrated how digital breaches could have real-world physical consequences. When AI is integrated into critical infrastructure, a breach could lead to disastrous outcomes. This highlights the urgent need to secure AI systems not just digitally, but physically, ensuring that they can't be hijacked to cause harm. The future of secure AI: can we build safer systems? So, the million-dollar question: can we create AI systems that are both powerful and secure? The reality is, full security is still a scientific challenge we have yet to solve. Achieving provably safe AI would require mathematical guarantees, like those used in military software, that are incredibly difficult to implement. Current AI models are far from this level of security. Developing such guarantees could take decades, cost billions, and require breakthroughs in AI research. Max Corbridge reflects, until then, we must rely on rigorous testing, layered defenses, and continuous oversight. It's about managing risks, not eliminating them entirely. Stay ahead in the AI arms race. Here's the bottom line. Hackers are actively developing AI-powered tools to bypass defenses and exploit vulnerabilities. The AI arms race is happening now, and if you aren't prepared, you could become the next target. So, stay informed, use strong passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and be cautious about the AI tools you deploy. If you're a business owner, invest in security frameworks that understand AI's unique risks. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and I'll see you next time.